Hi, today we are going to implement the JSON part in our application. So first of all, we are going to API tab. We select API and first test API. Now we can get response ID, movie, rating and images. So if we no need to all response in our application, we need to only movie name. So in FlutterFlow, when we scroll down, then JSON path recommended. So here ID, movie, rating, images. I just want a movie name. I just click on add JSON path. Now here in JSON path we can add number of more than one JSON path also. Here I add JSON path name. Here I add name because of in our application whenever I require to use this JSON path, then this responses is are shown there. Now I going to enter. I select text widget before I call the API. Here add query. Query type should be API call, and here select movie API. Now I confirm. Now our API call is integrated in our practice pages. Now our movie name should be bind in a text widget. I select here, click on movie. I select movie API responses. Now here we can option available API response. I select JSON body, and second available option is JSON path. Now I'll click on drop down. I select predefined path, and next predefined path names. Inside the predefined paths you can see here which was, I think we cannot save because I going to movie, and here click on save button. Our path should be saved. Now again I going to select text widget and here type movie name, responses, and predefined path available movie name. Now I click on confirm. Default value should be nothing. Now I run this application. Now our application is running successfully. Now we can see here text widget is bind with the only movie JSON path. So we can see here movie name. So this way we can bind the JSON path in our application.